Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So, about a month ago, we took a first look at Firefox's new split screen feature, which apparently, according to Mozilla, has been a highly requested feature. And we took a first look at the split view in Firefox Nightly, which is an early preview version. Now, just to let you know that recently Mozilla rolled out Firefox version 146, which is now the latest stable release. And as pointed out to me by a viewer of this channel, which I'm always grateful for, the feature is now available in version 146. Now, the only catch is it's not a default feature, but it's still hidden behind an experimental flag. So it's an experimental feature that you can enable in About Config. But we can get the split view working now in the stable version if you so wish. So I thought I'd just post this quick video just to let you guys know in case this is something that you would like to use in Firefox. Now, if you are comfortable to fiddle with experimental features, what we do is we head to our address bar and we enter About :config. So that's About :config. Accept the risk and continue. Just take note of that because we are dealing with experimental features. And all you do is you type in split. And here's the flag, browser.tabs.splitview.enabled. The default value is false. We need to change that to true. And then what I would suggest is to close down Firefox and relaunch the browser. And now you'll see, if I right click on a tab, we've got Add Split View. And there we go. We've got the new split view working in the stable version of Mozilla Firefox version 146. Now at this stage, it's quite basic in its functionality. As you can see, you can resize the different tabs. And split view is very handy if you are multitasking, and especially if you are using a large monitor or a bigger screen, because it can open up two tabs in one browser window, as you can see. So very handy for multitasking and the like. And at this stage, I'm not noticing any other settings that have been enabled for split view. So if you want to close one of the tabs, you actually physically have to head up to the two tabs at the top and choose which one you want to close. And there we go. Now you can see that it's left a bit of an issue here to the right-hand side, where it's just left a blank space. So I have found, though, that closing the browser down and then relaunching it will adjust that problem, because obviously it's not a default feature yet. It's still experimental and there could be one or two bugs. So right-click, Add Split View, and there we go. And if you want to close one, you just select that tab and close it, and there we go. So this time it has actually worked. So you might get an odd glitch from time to time, seeing that it's still an experimental feature and hasn't been enabled as a default feature. So because the flag has become available in version 146, I think it's only a matter of time now that that will roll out to the stable version, seeing that it is an experimental feature now in stable. And if you want to pop everything back to how it was, you just reverse the process. You head up to your address bar, you enter About :config, enter split, and you just change the value back to false. Close the browser down, relaunch it, and you can see now no option to enable split view. So quick video just to show you that the new split view feature and split screen feature is now available in the stable version, albeit hidden behind an experimental flag. And when that does become a default feature in stable, obviously I'll post and let you guys know. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.